Eos's Renewable Energy Knowledgebase is designed for estimating wind farms, solar installations, energy storage, and electric vehicle charging stations. The Knowledgebase contains a model for quickly taking off wind turbine generators for your estimates, as well as cost models for electrical service, transmission and distribution, and site work. Let's take off the wind turbine generator model for a 100 megawatt wind farm. For the model reference, assign a special reference ID to the model or use the current date time stamp that pre-fills. You can adjust the productivity for the takeoff. Add or deduct hours based on the desired productivity. To support a 100 megawatt rated wind farm, we need to take off 32 wind turbines with a 3 megawatt power generation class. The model supports classes from 1 to 6. Note that while the power generation class is used in the model, the actual nameplate rating for the wind turbine generator may be different, for example 3.1 or 3.2 megawatts. The model selects the default rotor diameter and spacing factor for the wind turbines based on the power generation class you specify. It uses the rotor diameter and spacing factor to calculate the wind turbine spacing. You can change any of the pre-filled values. Hub heights vary by class. The hub height you select applies to all the wind turbines in this takeoff, even though you might need varying hub heights based on the terrain. The model calculates the number of tower sections based on the specified hub height, but you can change this value as needed. The model provides several wind turbine package options. Let's include the cold weather package, grid integration package, and step-up transformer in the down tower assembly. The model calculates some of the foundation specs and bases others on the hub height. It provides specs for the tower anchor ring, tower pedestal, concrete thickness, foundation dimensions, anchor bolts, and more. You can accept the pre-filled values or enter different values as needed. Specify the size and configuration for one wind turbine worksite. The default values for the worksite are based on the foundation size. Next, let's enter the average access road values for one wind turbine. Notice that the default road length is the same as the wind turbine spacing. Specify the grounding, interconnection, and cable values for the wind turbine. And that completes our takeoff for the 100 megawatt wind farm. Next, let's generate the model to the estimate. Let's take a look at our takeoff. The model assembly spreadsheet sequence shows the results grouped by model and assembly. Here's the wind turbine generator model. The takeoff results in a cost of approximately $2,260 per kilowatt. Estimating a wind farm is as easy as completing the interview for the wind turbine generator model and generating it to the estimate spreadsheet. Your estimate will contain details for the necessary foundations, clearing, paving, conduit, cable, grounding, and the wind turbine generators. And you can add other models, assemblies, and items for any additional scope that's needed.